To enable auto blocker feature to give enhanced security for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap auto blocker. Now tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn auto blocker on. When auto blocker feature is on, it will protect your phone by doing the following things. First, by blocking apps from unauthorized sources, which means only apps from authorized sources can be installed. If you attempt to install apps from unknown or unauthorized sources, you will receive a pop-up alert preventing you from continuing the installation. That's why when auto blocker is on, install unknown apps cannot run. Second, by turning on app security check, which means app installed on your phone will be checked for malicious activity. That's why when auto blocker is on, app protection feature will be enabled automatically. And the third, by blocking comments by USB cable, which means malicious charger, computers, and other devices will not be able to send comments to your phone when connected using a USB cable. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.